Hello folks, how's it going? Just... there we go. Now everything is normal. Is it? I don't know what time it is. Hold on, what is this? Remove the chest from the hardcore world to draw. Oh. I see. If for a glow squid. Yeah, not too keen to be honest. Not too keen, no. So as usual, I was gonna say I don't know. Excuse me. Okay, there we go.
At the next beep, it is 2023. Beep.
Thank you, Brian. I was gonna say I don't remember where my shulkers are, but I actually do. We're building in the shopping district, which I could totally just fly to in the overworld, but now I've started going this way. I need to get some redstone stuff from there, because I want to start working on the the switch part of the teleporter network. So I could have gone topside too, I guess, whatever, but this is fine. Anyway, we've done like most of the other parts of this, and the previous design that I was using was based on a... oh wait, which side was it? I want to say that it was over here, but yeah, that's pretty visible, yes. The previous design I was using for this was based on a cart-based multi-item sorter system, which is fine, but it has a little bit of a different focus to it, I guess. Let's see. Do I need anything else here? Like, I think I should have most of the things. Oh man, screaming goats. So it's some dust in this one. It's chests and stuff in this one. I need my iron chest, actually. Where's that? Okay. There we go. Yeah, okay, so we're building this. It's the next station in line. But yeah, I kind of want to take a little bit of a break from that and to go work on just testing out the designs for like the redstone mechanism of the switch. You can do that anywhere. I'm not gonna build anything like for real. I'm just gonna do testing. Ooh. I have rails, but I don't think I have powered rails with me, so I'm gonna go grab that shulker too. Because those are gonna be important. I mean, this one is fine, except I can't fit it because my inventory is full of stuff. Wait, there. Glass goes in there. I don't think I need glass. Should be fine. Well, that's a bit of powered rail. I don't need that much. Do I possibly need a detector rail? Certainly not impossible. Let's dump some things in here. Kinda want these, actually. I don't need dirt. Don't need a flint and steel. That's fine, and then we grab this. Cool. Cat noises? You're not talking about the goat, are you? Those are not the same animals, just so you know. For those of you who failed the biology class, a goat is not a type of cat. So I think I'll just like, if I can walk up the stairs to my base, then I'll just go to my base and do this experimentation there somewhere. Because, you know, there I have all my resources at my disposal. Yeah, the is totally a very nice meow. Could chill out on the backside here. Could have been my cat screaming. Sure. Fair enough. Now the question is, am I gonna be alone on the server? So here's a bunch of space that doesn't really, well, I guess there's this here, but we can use this space. I don't think I need a lot of space for this. Like the old design was huge. Absolutely massive, but I'm hoping I can make something a lot smaller because I don't really need all the, like, the functionality of that system, I guess. So, oh, I had a bunch of stuff in here. That's fine. I am gonna need, wait. Apparently not. There we go. Now the question is, did Faro join just to say, no, I am here, and then leave? Got hoppers. I'm gonna need to set up, basically, maybe, well, yeah, there you go. That's what I thought. Thanks, Fabian. Now I wasn't alone. Let's see. I know your antics. Do I want to go up here or do I not care? Maybe I don't care. So, here's the ID here. No, wait. Sideways probably, right? The game was already starting with quick live when you asked. There you go. I forgot the end rod. You can go in here. Sure, very, very fitting with an end rod in here. The idea is this is a kind of a multi-item sorter based design, right? So this is going to contain, I have some here even, hold on. This is going to contain a player ticket. And I don't have any, oh, never mind. And a destination ticket. Destination ticket goes first, then this, and then 3 basically random items, also stackable. So we'll just grab some things for now. Doesn't really matter. I guess I can use this. So I have a stick, a torch, and an oak plank. These are different items in the real thing, but it doesn't matter. They are just filler items. Now, the point of this system is it runs underneath a chest like this, and this chest is supposed to have basically 1 item, 2 items? 2 items, I think. Yeah, 2 items for every destination where this station should turn, or this junction should turn. So, or I don't know. Yeah, I suppose one could be forward, one could be turn. So basically, if this first slot matches an item that is in this chest, we want this to flip. The way we check that, well, I mean, obviously, I don't think these will be here either. I think it's more likely that this will be like over here or something. But whatever. The way we check that is we make sure that the cart has a certain speed when it passes, and we So that would be kind of like this. We set it off. I think the cart is going to drop down and like go with 0 speed, because that's how, like, it's coming in with 0 speed on a piston bolt, and I think that's how the system works. So we got to match it up with a correct speed so that this cart, which is full of items, so it can only grab something that stacks with one of these items. That's the key here. So we're going to find the perfect speed so it runs under this and only grabs one single item. Is that possible? No. So maybe I only want one of each in here. I guess it would still pop back in the same place. It probably doesn't matter. Okay. So the way this works in the kind of multi-item sorter designs is they have a highly complicated system where the cart will, like, in case there is a match, a piston here will end up pulling, like, the rug underneath the cart. It will fall down, get slime bounced up, and go across this again at the right speed for a hopper to pull one of the items out and put it back in the chest. Which is great and all, but like a little bit overcomplicated for art to be. Then the reason that is done that way is because you're supposed to that's one slice of a multi-item sorter system, so you're supposed to be able to build them side by side, and you're supposed to be able to, like, it's supposed to be efficient at sorting items. But I don't care. All I want is for it to be efficient at determining this turn, and then it's fine if it takes a few ticks for the item to pop back up there, right? So basically I only have repeaters, not comparators. There. Hey, not interesting. Hello, Technologic. And we need something. I think the way this is generally done is like this, and then you put a bunch of stuff in here. You need non-stackable items here. Oh, this is gonna suck. I don't have any space for anything. Oh my god. This can wait. No, I don't need that. That's fine. This goes back in here. I'm carrying like a stack of spawn tokens. That's fine. And then we make a bunch of shovels. Very good. Take the item out, stop the my cart for a second, put the item through a normal item sorter? Oh, no. No, it's still a multi-item sorter design. Like, this chest is still determining the whole thing, right? Also importantly, I want this to work for, you know, this many items. Well, actually, this many. Because of complexities of things. Which... Okay, hold on. That is power 1. Interesting. Oops. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so it's fine. We don't actually need any of this stuff. Good. I will need these later, I think, so... Let's put the shovel barrel to the side for now. Hey, there's not an empty string. Did I toss a shovel over here? No, I didn't. Okay, I picked it up. Well, I mean, I did, but I guess I picked it up again. No, well, every intersection is a three-way intersection, right? It's got three different ends, and the whole system needs to determine which end to send things. So, still power one. What's the? Uh-oh, still powered one. I need a full stack of something. Full stack of repeaters. Okay. We cannot do that many items. 50 note blocks. Still powered one. What the heck? I thought... Okay, I need another full stack of items. Buttons. Surely this will be enough. Nope. Hold on. Just exactly how much stuff do I need in here? Okay, now it's power 2. Okay. I should probably put down a bed over here so I don't have to run back and forth. Well, you need to find multiple different items. I can explain in a second. There's not just one destination. One direction does not imply one destination. Do I have beds here somewhere? No, but I have a bed. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Very nice. This is where we sleep now, under the stars. Okay, I think I misunderstood your question then. Okay, so we need a bunch more filler items here. Just random filler stuff. That's still 1. And this will be 2. That's still 2. That's still 2. Oops. That's still 2. That's 1. That's 2. So that's the limit. So we need 3 full stacks and 5 at the back of the chest. And for every slot that isn't filled, we'll also need to add that many to this. So in this case, since I only have 1 item here, I need that many, because this is now 2, but if I take this out, it drops to 1. So now we have a detector for whether this item has been picked up or not, and regardless of how many slots we fill up, we're going to detect that. We slow down the system by a roughly constant amount for every station. Yeah. Yeah, and the every junction times every station, right? Or you'd have to have a piston bolt, a unique piston bolt from every station to every other station, which would be horrendous to build. So. Right, hold on. Oh, well, stupid. There. Wait. Is there a good way of doing this? Actually, if it's 2 there, then I could maybe put it above. So what if I did this? That doesn't reach there, does it? Or? It does. Okay, cool. Now this is position dependent, which isn't great. It's direction dependent. And that's not ideal, let's just say. But it's gonna be a lot better than... Oh, right. Cool. Oh, that's not great either. Hold on. And I need this item to be in here. Here we go, that turns it, and then we do this, and we nudge you back. Very great, thank you. And now we switch these off again. Okay, and now it's gone again, so I need to take this out, put it in here. And I guess this now by default points that way. So I guess in this case we'd fill up the chest with all the items that we want the cart to go forward for. I mean... So that happened. This still has that. This has that. Oops. Should probably get some levers, huh? So that's there. And now... So that is the entire switch, which is enormously less complicated than the other system I had. But we're now missing one crucial component, and that is a way to get the item back up to here. So to do that, we will need to do something like this. Just goes there. That should be fine. We'll put that there. That should pull out one item. And then we need that to go up here. Would it be better to pull it the other way? Actually, it'd be a lot better if we could make this turn that way. Which is, again, like, direction dependent, so it's not easy. But I guess... I could move the junction itself one block further. And then have a torch on this block. Maybe that's the best. This is getting a little long, I guess, but it... Oh. Hello. Of course. Well, thank you. Well, I said something. Okay, so what I'm saying is the junction should be here. And then we can have this on heat. Yes, there. So now the thing defaults to going forward, but if I take this out, it turns. Let's put this this shulker of levers that I just happen to have handy over here. Because now this lines up very nicely with this. And actually we could take it from all the way under here. So let's put a dropper here and a dropper here. So we've got two droppers pointing up into the chest. We got... Oh. Silly? You're spilling! And then we put these here. And I guess probably a composter on this. Yes, that's probably very necessary. Although now this is cutting a corner, so I might have to power these, which is very awkward. I mean, actually, kind of want that anyway. Because we want it to be fast. So we do this and we power them out here. That's too close. There. Let's do this actually, just for ease of testing. And let's do... It should really not matter exactly how these are laid out, so we can easily do this. Okay, and let's just set it up like this for now, for testing purposes. So now we have chest containing items that should go left in the junction. So we do that. Cart goes left. Thing ends up back in here. So I don't even need that. Okay, hold on. Wait, so that only powers... No, okay, so that powered it one step. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. I know I did a thing like this. That doesn't work then. Oh, of course, wait. So this lights up, but... Right, of course. Don't have the power here, so we do this. Did I put my repeaters away? Or am I blind? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, put them in here, right? Yeah. They're filler items now. Not the ideal filler item. That doesn't seem like it will do the right thing. It doesn't. No, I don't need a box of repeaters, thank you. Already have boxes of repeaters for this project. I know I've done this. Let's not give anybody any ideas now, Myth. How did I do this? I know I did this. I don't think I can carry the signal without a repeater, so I guess I used the repeater. Did I actually pull it sideways? I don't remember pulling it sideways. We could also take the signal out of there, I guess. What if we do this? We've managed to lock this hopper. Dang it. What? Okay. So this is where I started, right? And doing this, we'll click it. Doing that will only fire the top. Actually, no, what? That's really weird. Hold on. It's still in the bottom one until I update something. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah, of course, because we're measuring that so it's still powered because it's quasi-powered. Okay, so... Oh, wait, super simple. If I can figure out how to get the signal there. So what we need are two signals. If we read the state change of the come on. If we read the state change of the comparator, we get a signal for every, you know, you get a signal for every every time it flips somehow, and it flips twice because it turns on and then off again on the first tick. So that moves it all the way back up. This is kind of ugly, but I don't know if I can make that any better. I could put this like that, but did that still mean that? We would essentially do the same thing. Is it one less redstone dust? I guess it is. With the slight drawback that it doesn't work. Because the thing doesn't get pointed in anymore. Wait. I think I know. I know. Okay, because we can read stuff through a block. We can also do this, right? Yes. Which means now we can do this and this. And have it not work. What? Did not have a box of repeater. Well, I mean, I guess this is simpler. Actually, I do need that. But then we just do this. Although... There we go. There it is. See, that wasn't too hard. He clicked on your stream. Hello. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, folks. Raid and run. Absolutely. Fully understand it. Thank you so much for the raid, Clickwell. Hope you all had a fantastic time with the good old Clickwell today. Click promised you'd explain the new villager book thingy and give your opinion. Hashtag fake news. Well, I'll explain stuff. I do that all the time in my, news videos on YouTube. Running to the bus stop while sending this. Oh no. Alright, well, have a good one, Clickwell. Don't worry about posting here. I totally get you. Streaming can be a fun thing sometimes. This will not be a long stream for me either, because I need to finish packing, because I'm going on a trip tomorrow. So, but we'll run for a while here. I want to kind of figure this out. Welcome in. We are working on a card switcher design for my teleportation network, which is a pretty cool thing. If you haven't seen it, I have the stations that are a teleportation system. So I can go here and I can select that I want to travel to like the shopping district or spawn. And we have... We've made 2 stations successfully. We've made the connection between them. It works. There's one glitch left to work out on that. But what I need to do as the next component is to make a switching system to where I can detect these carts, because these carts are what send the messages.
Going on a trip tomorrow
them.
Or going on a trip tomorrow.
Yo, Clover, thank you so much for 27 months. Holy smokes. That's a long time. Going on a trip tomorrow. Not tomorrow, as Brian just said. So yeah, I guess do I have pearls in this? I think I have pearls in this. I can show you how it looks. So basically, the only thing that works from here right now is spawn station. But I select myself. You can see this system lights up to tell me, okay, there's a user selected in the system. Now I click spawn. That lights up to say, okay, you've selected your destination. Both are selected. We're now traveling. It takes a little while, obviously, because, you know, it's very hard to send an instant message over a server. But we're going to teleport to spawn, you know, as you do. And so there are a bunch of things with this system is that, or have I messed it up? Nope, we're fine. And I got given an ender pearl because it's this stasis chamber system, and now I can just toss that up and we're reset and we're fine. So now I'm in the spawn station and can go out and have a look at spawn. But that's not actually where I want it to be, so let's go back. But it's pretty cool system. Now, the one remaining component to prove is a switching system here to let me, you know, actually select the destinations. And once I have that, it will work to go to any of the stations. Obviously, you still need to do all the work of building the connections. Then the connections are incredibly expensive to build. Because they are piston bolts in the on the nether ceiling. So you could run just regular minecarts, but I want it as fast as possible. So here's the guts of the system. Those are the stasis chambers. You can see my pearl down there, just hanging about. And then over here is kind of the guts of it, how it works. So when you select those two things, the things that happen is the two items get tossed into the nether here. One is a ticket for the destination, and one is a ticket for the player. They end up in the station, get filled into a minecart here with a hopper, and get sent on this piston bolt, which is an extremely quick way to transport a cart. And so that gets sent through the nether all the way to the... it's pretty much the fastest way you can send an automated system. And that gets transported over to the spawn area. There are a series of chunk loaders that light up and stuff on the way. And so this is a pretty complicated system. But obviously you want to be able to, you know, if you have a travel network, you probably want more than one destination. So that's the next step. With that, if I can get that to work smoothly, then we have all the components to just build this out fully and flesh it out, which would be really cool. Then it's just a lot of building. And I think I pretty much just did this. So that's pretty cool. We can do this and this to toss you back there. No, we can't. Oh, I've messed it up. Now that's empty. Yeah, that's not great. All the items are in here. Can I do this? Yeah, I can. Great. You go. So here's how the things look. The first item is the ticket for the destination. The second item is the ticket for the player. Third item is random filler items. So is fourth and so is fifth. So essentially something like this. Turn this off. Basically, if this cart contains an item that matches something in this chest, it turns left. Otherwise, it goes forward. And the trick is, it will pull the item out, so it then needs to return it, and that's what this circuit does. And I believe it does it well enough. Okay. I apparently suck at testing this thing, though, but... oh boy, what have I... So I managed to get a bunch of chests in here. Like, the whole system relies on this cart being full. Is it... Does it pull out too many items? No, or was it just that it bounced? Okay, now everything is fine again. Okay, we just got one spawn there. Come on. And this is restored. Perfect. Okay, so now we want to... Wait. Oh, yeah, okay, now it's turned because I took the item out. So if I have an empty chest, I need to do this. There we go. Did I turn that off? I did. Okay. Okay, so now the chest doesn't contain the spawn token, which means this does not match going left, so it should go forward. Hold on. Oh. My manual reset thing was on. Okay. Go back. Turn you off. Turn everything off. That's fine. Need to reset you. Reset you. There we go. Okay. This is set up correctly. That's off. So this is defaulting to forward. Nothing should happen when this goes now. Ah, dang it. Okay, that's what I was a little worried about. So the cart kind of just touches in over the hopper and therefore it pulls the first item. So I need to move this here. Does that make this better or worse in terms of this circuit? I still want this here. I guess it doesn't really matter. I guess it opens up for having this be oops. Did not mean to do that. It opens up for doing this. So I don't have to have the cart go over a corner. And then we can have both of these be that. And then be out of powered rails. So I need to go and pick some up from here. There. I mean, that should be the same thing. It's a little less elegant, I guess, but it's fine. And then I need to put this back because I broke it. This goes back here. That goes in there. We're getting there. So the previous system I had was enormously full of complicated mechanisms. So actually how... Okay, I've put it right on a chunk border. Great. So then the question is, how do I make this into a three-way? Because it works from if you come from here, and then it routes you. But I also need it to work if you come from there and if you come from there. So the question is, I probably cannot use the same junction. Like maybe I could, but I would have to like lock the hopper and stuff. It's just not worth it, I think. So, and I mean the system is directional in any way, so I should think about it actually. So you come in from on the left side and it's a left hand drive. system, I guess. So when the cart is traveling on the left track of the two. So this would be a good input. And then this would be a good output, I suppose, if it's going that way. And if it's coming this way instead, then it would be like over here. Ah. So it's like starting here instead. Then I don't know exactly where. And then we want the same thing. We want it to be able to turn that way, and we want it to be able to go straight. Hold on. Let's go take a look here. Because I probably should start... Oops. A maintenance access. I should probably start trying to match this up to the real dimensions of things. Ow. So, this cart travels here. The bolt itself is too wide here to the edge. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. On the 7th one... Ow. On the 7th one, it's where the next rail should be. So you should probably try to align this to a chunk, really. Here. So ideally, this is as small as possible, I guess, but at most it's going to be a chunk wide, and it probably will be a chunk wide. So do I rebuild this so that we have a full chunk to work with? Maybe I should. I mean, it's in that. Okay, that's an awkward positioning. Maybe we just oops. Try it out here. So that means that start out over here. So many things. You go in here. I don't need you for the moment. I don't need you for the moment. Okay. No, let it be. It's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And obviously this is going to be all flat when we build on it, so I'll just temporarily flatten out this mountain a little bit. So much stream delay. Not that. This. So that is on the middle one. Actually, how far out is this? We have at least 2 to the edge of the chunk here. Should have 3. Do we have 3? This requires 3 to the edge of the chunk. If I have 7 in between, yeah, I definitely have 3. Should be fine. And so if we wanted to build the same thing here, it becomes this. Dropper underneath. Yeah. Okay, so dropper here. Wait. Oh, this. Don't power the drop. Actually, this is weirdly positioned now. But this circuit is really starts here and then goes to here. It's like 4 long and 3 wide. 4 wide. It's a 4x4. That really is not bad. So I could really move these around as I need to, I think. It's going to be the question of fitting all of them in, but I think it'll be fine. So, I need this pointed out of here with this comparator. And then some of these.
"44 months. I think at this point we should make a decision. Do we wanna take this further? Do you wanna meet Earl? Or shall we just start this? I feel like 44 months is enough to figure this out."
Thank you, Thomas, for 44 months. I don't know why I would like to meet Earl, though. Who's Earl? Also, thank you, Brian, for that valiant attempt. Okay, so hold on. I've got one too many of these, yes. Although that doesn't really matter, I think. I should have seen this Brian attempt coming. Yeah, I know, right? Let's see. So if I... That's not a rail. This is a rail, thank you. So we do this now. Hello? Why? Okay, no, okay, we can do this. This will be fine. That's... Wait. Wait. Okay, now it's forward. Now it's sideways. Yeah, okay. So the default is powered, which means the default is wrong on this one. So that is the problem here. Which means we need to have this be the way we do this. And now... Say what? Excuse me? Yeah, that's the default. Now the default is forward. Turn it off. Go sideways. And yes, we do... Yeah, so this is the left one. So this is quite far into the chunk, actually. Weirdly. So we need this to... This is going to be very interesting, actually. Because this is now on the wrong side. Aha. So I need to have the chest and this whole thing be pointed to the side that has the turn. I need to point into the turn. And then... Am I being extremely silly here? No, it's fine. I'm just being a normal level of silly. You killed the conversation. Very nice. All right, then. Okay. So does that change the weird orientation dependent stuff here, or are we still fine? Am mean, this and this. What? Wait, no, hold on. Just wait you just one moment. That's weird. Why doesn't this turn symmetric? Because I put... Okay, I need to have this one back then. Because I need to... Assuming that it's symmetric... I mean, this should also work, but I don't want it that way. Okay, interesting. That's fine, because this is supposed to be far into the chunk, so I can easily move it back by one. So if we start by building this setup, I need this. Oh, wait. Okay. It doesn't fit. I have to do this if I want it on this side. That's why. Because where I have this block and this block is out over and then hang like this would have to be here, but I can't put this block here because there's a rail in the way. So I guess if I do this, does it work? I'm gonna have to fill this up with so many items to find out. We can just do this, I guess. That should be 2. Yes, so this is now 2. And that is pointed the wrong way. Wait, so does the directionality of this thing turn? Based on which side this is updating from? It might. Or does it just not work at all now? Like... It's now pointed forward. No. Okay, no, never mind. I'm thinking about it wrong. Because powered is the default. So the default is forward. This one now hits the edge here, but that's fine, I guess. I was like, where did I put my powered rail? Put them in the chest line. As always. Okay. Yeah, I mean, directional redstone is not the funniest thing to deal with, right? But I don't know that I can get away from it. In this case, I'm just gonna have to make the variants I need for the various directions, right? So this goes in there, this goes in there, this goes in there. That should be fine. This on here. No. I have a box of powered rails already. Comparator. No. Block. Yeah, block. Comparator. Observer. Observer. Now those can't... Well, wait, could I pull this in and do the same direction? That would be nice. Also, being able to fit all my tools on my bar would be nice. Yeah, that should be fine. We can do this. Give me a hopper. So this goes in there, that goes in there. And we just need one of these. Do I have one here too? No, I have 2. Okay, they become a little bit different, but that's fine, I suppose. And that's empty, that's empty. This has gotten composter in it, that's fine. Box of hotbar slots, yeah, I'll take that for sure. Box. Come on. This. That. That should be it. So if I toss something in here, it ends up in here. Okay, cool. So for some, I don't love that, but it's fine. We power this far enough away from the hopper to not power the hopper itself, and then we build this. Ooh, that's a problem. Actually, I need to do this back one. There. So this power, it goes up here. Give me that block, thank you. We go up here. I think I need to go all the way up here for this to work. That should be fine. Let me just drop the cart down there. Because I need to get it onto this same rail, but I need to miss this hopper. And I don't want to interfere with this redstone. So I think that's the ticket. There might be a smarter... I could go... Actually, if I do this... if I just do this offset by one, you move it one block that way, then we don't have to do that. We can just have the cart. That's probably better, isn't it? Then we'll have the cart running across here, and we can drop it down here.
Big keyboard reminder. Or something. Are you a broken bar? I'm a broken Bart.
Okay. Sure. What do I rather have this? Like, it is nice to not have to do... On the other hand, this is likely faster, right? Actually, I don't know. So what did I say here? 3 stacks and 55. Oh boy. Actually 54 if there's an item. So this should be one less now. Or actually, let's do this and just take the spawn token. And put it here, because we've concluded spawn is that way, right? So this should be just enough for this to hit 2. But if I take this out, it's now 1. And this should have turned. It has. Very good. I believe this is just done.
Who's a broken Bart? I'm a broken Bart.
Sure. You keep telling yourself that, Brian. Okay, so now we got this hopper here on this test track. It should be going right because it is tagged with spawn, and spawn is in the chest. So let's see if that actually happens. That is off if it ends up there. Maybe actually power these rails. Might be smart. I mean, pause reminders, yes, I recognize that it was a pause reminder, of course, yes. But I can't take a pause today, because then I'll just run out of time. I need to end not too late. Because I need to keep going and packing and stuff, so... We're not gonna pause. Let's try that again. Well, that wasn't very clever, was it? Oh, man. That was interesting. And now this is on the wrong track. But it has the right contents. And this what ended up back there. That's nice. So let's do this for now. Yes, that will do. And this should not mess with that. Good. This test card system is a mess, but does the job for testing, I guess. Let's try that again. It's supposed to go to the right because it has the spawn token in here. Okay, end up the right place. And it's pretty fast, actually. I'm pretty sure this is a decent chunk faster than the other system. Now, it does still have the problem that this has to go up pretty high, and then it drops down there. It would snap down if it was actually here. So I think I do want to try the other way, which means moving all of this back by one, or all of that back by one, and this is actually the one that should move. Or wait, no, that's the left side output. Yeah, so this we should be moving that. Let's do that. And while we're at it, let's pick some better filler items here. Sure, pistons. Maybe not. Oh, we got this nice delivery of levers, so we can do that. But first, I need to actually pick this apart. Move it back by one. It's also surprisingly cheap, this design, compared to the old design, so, you know, that's nice. And like this I can build off of memory. And like adjust as needed and whatever. The other one, no chance. Okay, so that's there. Give me... Oh, I don't have any hoppers because I've put them all down. In my hotbar, I have hoppers. You don't have to come with hoppers. Where's the other one? There. Actually, don't think I need more, because I'm just gonna move them, but whatever. Yes, okay, yeah. Yeah, because the rail is supposed to move. And I want to do the same thing here, actually. I want to do this, I think. This goes away. These all need to move. Half of them are getting picked up in the hoppers. This. The comparator, redstone and a torch. That goes there. This goes like that. This goes here. This junction moves to here. And honestly, there's no reason for these not to be powered. What are you powered by? You're powered by this? Okay, sure. Actually, this block will always... Never mind. So we'll power here. Sure. Get that sorted again. Okay, so now this should have been moved. Holy smokes. Zack and Raid. Hello, Avoma and Avoma's friends. Welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. My inventory, man. Okay. I just got I definitely don't need the detector rails. How are you doing? I hope you had a fantastic stream today. 1, 2, actually these go down here. And 55, that's it. What were you up to today? Here we are designing the last component of my teleporter network, which is the switch. Basically, we have one of these hopper minecarts with a bunch of tokens in it. The first one being the ticket for the destination, the second one being a ticket for a player. And so we're trying to route this cart depending on what's in the first slot. And I need to route it from 3 directions to, you know, whichever way, depending on where you come from and what's in there. So that's what we're doing. And I just had to move this over, but there's no reason for these not to be just all powered. And just wrap it up with that. Okay, so that is now moved. And that means we can tear these down. And, well... actually kind of wanted this here, but we don't need... Give me those. So you go here, 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 here? No, 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 no. I didn't mean to push the cart. Okay, fine. It's fine. That's fine. I think I need the straight piece, because otherwise it's gonna fall off. And it might even touch the hopper. Although, I'm not quite sure that's the case, actually. But this is fine. Yeah, that should be fine. Wait. Right. Wait. Where did the destination token end up? Oh, are one of these hoppers powered? This one is. Because it's under there. Okay, I can't route it underneath there. It's fine. We will just have to do this instead. And put one more of those there. That should be fine. So let's try this out again. There. 52 here. 54. Oh yeah, because we lost some to the cart. Okay. So now, hold on. So now, when I fire this off, because it halves, that's the wrong default. Why? How did... Maybe because there was... Okay. I mean, these aren't... I'm confused. Okay, we'll see what happens. So, this is now pointing forward. This has a token, so it should go left. Never mind. 3 stacks and 54. This is 2. That's 1. So does this just not turn the thing anymore? Oh, wait. It's... Hold on. Uh-huh. Why did this work before? I'm no longer confused as to why it doesn't work. I'm now confused as to why it worked before. But I think... Regardless, I can actually put that back, which I... No, I don't want to do that. But we, regardless, need to do this. And now that's on. If we put that in there, it's off. And that's forward. Okay. Where is my card? My card is now here. And I need to do this. Reset the test. Okay. So now, again, this should be turning to the left, since it has the token. Turn to the left. And we got the ticket back up there. Okay, good. So that this works again. Give me some of these again. Lock that for testing. Unlock it again. Take you over to the other track. Okay, there. Now we're ready for this test, which again should travel to the right because it has the token. That looked incredibly weird. It rendered down here for a second when it was traversing this corner. Oh boy. But this has to... Never mind. Okay, yes, I used a filler item that stacks with something in the cart. That's incredibly stupid. Well, let's just use levers. But it did the right thing. It doesn't actually matter that it stacks up stuff in the other slots. Or it would matter in the final system, but it doesn't matter for us now. So this is in the right place. This has the token back, so that works. And now all we need to test is... Sure, that's fine. Is that if I take the token out of here, it goes forward. Because I never filled up properly. I didn't balance the thing. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I just need to put you on. Run you over here. Actually, I'm just gonna try what happens. I don't know which way this will pop. Okay, it pops that way. That's fine. Okay, again. This is correctly balanced now. Ticket is not in there, but it is in here, so it should go forward. Heck yeah. This is still correct. That is still correct. And now I only have one left, which is... So I can come from here. I can come from here. And then we have this track, which will be... God knows where. Like it will be coming in here. This is quite far away, actually. I guess not that far. Where's the chunk border? It's way up here. It's 3 away there. So we can easily extend out here for a little bit. So this is the left track. So this is where they will come in. Wait. Wait. No, that makes no sense. It's not here. It's there, obviously. Because it's a 3-way. It's not a 4-way. Although a 4-way might be interesting, but... Okay, so this is the left one, so we know there are 7 apart. So... 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's where the next one is going to be. So we're actually building this way off center. But yeah, this is actually low enough complexity that I think a 4-way isn't completely impossible. It's not still too complicated for me. I don't blame you. Don't blame you at all. Okay, so this is actually gonna now is when it gets tricky, because now is when it's good. The other stuff wasn't too tricky actually. This is now it gets tricky. So I either wanted to go directly forward. Wait, what do I want here? No, I don't want it to go directly forward. I'm going to go either left on that track over there or right on... No, wait. Left on this track here or right on that track. So either out here or out there, where the card is now. Yeah, so this is going to be tricky. Not necessarily like redstone-wise, but just fitting it is going to be tricky. And it's going to have to look different than the other ones. So let's figure that out. So now the turning point here... I think I have to pull this up, don't I? I think I have to pull this up over these rails, because... yeah, I actually think I might have to turn this and then make the junction this... No, wait. The other... Yeah. Yes, that's exactly what I need to do. Well, no, turning it this way, Thoughts are hard. This is above. So I can pull it up like this without a problem. So now it's above here. But I need to turn it right here. So like it's kind of too late. Is that what I want to do here too, actually? Probably not. Okay. So... I mean... we can just make the assumption that we're starting higher. That's fine. Just make sure that we are on a different height here. Sure. Hello? And then I want this to be my junction. And that's either this way or straight forward. Like that. And if you go straight forward, I want it to go here and then turn out here. Man, it's Raid City today. What is this? It's some guy, some, you know, B guy maybe, I don't know. I seem to recall something about some numbers. How's it going, Dave? Nice to see you. I'm doing Redstone live on stream. Yeah, you know, as you do. So this is actually over here. This is the entry right here. Some random numbers. Yeah. Probably didn't mean anything either. The one guy. It's only one. I seem to remember there being approximately 1,604, but you know. Hope you had a good time today. Well, yeah, so we're making a fairly complicated system here that is going to be a component of my teleporter. This is the last component I need to design. So, yeah. I had a design in my previous version of the system, and it's this is a lot less complex. It looks like a mess, but it's a lot less complex actually. Hey Ralph. Had a lot of fun with auto crafting? What are you playing? Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. We're going that way. And that means I need to skip over this entire chunk. I need to go higher here. I need to go 2 higher. There's no way I can do... Well, I can do the same thing here, actually. Hold on. You can go here. Let's go off by 1 here. We go out here. And down here. That'll work. Could I pull it across here? Could I actually pull it across here? That would be mental. But I think I can. No, that's gonna hit. But if I'd make this a slab... This is a ridiculous optimization. Tiny optimization. I think that will work. And then I save a bunch of extra blocks here. I mean, actually, this could just move back by 1, right? So I don't need to... Oh boy. That went into here. Playing with carpet mod auto crafting has been awesome for farms and storage tech stuff. Nice. Yeah, that will... Like, now I don't need this to be super special anymore. Give me that back. And we just do this. And this can... I don't know if I should be fine like this. Which has the benefit of, like, not having to cover up all the entire, like, this place where we have the mechanism. Doesn't really hurt that much. The other benefit, of course, is that it is closer. So I don't have to... They don't have to travel as far to get to their destination. This should be fine. And now I need to just actually make this... this turn here. Which... This is... Looks like it's like this by default. Yeah, so when it's unpowered, it points the right way, which means I want a torch on here. Never mind. Why? Okay, sure. So powered is the wrong way, so I don't want that. Jeez. So instead I want this, which means we want... Can I place this there? Like this. We want our chest to be over here. Finding some dinner? Nice, enjoy it. And now what we want is... Did I put my redstone away? Well, not surprised. My inventory is a constant mess in this. So, here. Always great when you're building storage-related stuff. Accidentally drop an item in it, go through unintended Rube Goldberg machine and messing stuff up. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of the worst part of this thing is accidentally sending the cart the wrong way and having some hopper suck out all the ticket items and stuff, and just they go somewhere and I have to set it all back up. So that should be that. I now need to fill this with the filler items, which is obviously super easy because I have so much spare space in my inventory. It's great. Let's set this up. Actually, let's not. That already has one. Set it up here, there. Take one of these out. And then set up one of the other ones because obviously it can't be spawn in all directions. So spawn is that way. We have concluded. And if you're coming, I guess my base is one of the directions. The turn direction here. So my base is that way. And we need 3 stacks and 54 levers. There. So now this should be lit. It is, and this should be pointing forward. It isn't. I'm sorry, what? Game, we just concluded that you considered the other way to be unpowered. Could you please be reasonable? Okay. Unpowered points forward. Powered turns. Okay, maybe I'm just stupid. It's fine. Except this is in the wrong place now. So actually what I need to do is move everything. Great. Because this is supposed to go out here. So we need to move the chest to here. Right? Am I in the right place? Let's say that I'm in the right place. That's fine. This goes in here. These go back here. So I can pick stuff up again. There. This. This. Give me that. Or these. That now looks correct. And if I take the item out, it should turn. It turns. Very good. Okay. So that's that. And then we need droppers. Oh, this is in the wrong place now. Doesn't matter too much, but it needs to be on this side. Let's see. We're gonna have a hopper. That's fine. Let's put it here. Should be fine. We got droppers going here. And here. And then we have hoppers going in there, out there, there, and there. Composter, composter. Rail, rail. Rail. Need kind of one more actually. Because I need to power, and I don't want to power the hoppers. So there. And now we just need this little mechanism, which is comparator there, reading through a block. Observer, observer, done. Okay, so now I just need my test card to have the right... actually, we probably just break it and reset it, because it's going to be such a horror show trying to get it all the way up there. I don't want it to have spawn token anyway, I want the other one. I want this. We sleep? No. I'm liking... No, it's fine. It's fine. We can break it. And then go over here and place it. Give it a destination ticket, a player ticket, a filler item, a filler item, and a filler item. And then we sleep. And before we test this... Never mind. We don't need to. Okay, so now it has a lime space destination ticket, which means it should turn to end up here. Sure. No, not fine actually. I don't want it to actually. That's fine. Okay, let's try. Let's try better than that. Hey, it went there. And we got the ticket back. Very nice. And this has all its items. Very good. Whew. Okay, and then one final test. You go in here. Destination. Player. Item. 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 And this should not have the destination. Rebalance the payload. Go. And you go all the way over there, and you drop down. Very nice. And this will snap to a rail if there's a rail here. Cool. That's our entire station, or switch. And I think that should be pretty stable. Like, obviously, if there are two carts right after another, it will break, because the tickets won't have time to make their way back up. But I think... I want to say that this is not that much slower than the other one I had. It's just a lot less complicated. It's four hopper ticks over, and then like the dropper signal, I think is one tick. How large is this? This is, I mean, it doesn't go out from the tracks more than 3, right? It's 3 out from the tracks. This even goes inside. Okay. So let's go have a look. Will it fit? And that's the big question. Because if it does, then we're done. Okay, so basically, here's where we're gonna have one, but we'll look over here because like this is where, you know, we can see the connections. So from here, here's the edge. We definitely have 3 to the edge here. So we are fine. Oh, wait. Oh no, it's offset? Why have I done that? The whole thing is off? There's 3 free on this side, and there's 1. What? Why? Lime, what have you done? Like, that's... I mean, you'd say that it... Oops. You'd say that it's like a vanity thing, but that is actually relevant. I mean, I think I have space. But that's actually like not just a, oh no, it's 1 block off. That's a problem functionally for this thing. Because these things are supposed to be equally balanced going in and out of chunks. And I can probably fix it at the switch station and stuff, but it will mean building everything off by 1 and then like adjusting it. Ugh. I hate it, but quite possibly the easiest thing is to move everything by 1 block, which just sucks. I mean, like, 1 switch is supposed to be right here, I believe. So, you know. Where's the other... Yeah, over there's where we're going with the other one. So we'll put a switch here. That's fine. Like, it's not even going to have time to get on the... And for all of you saying pistons, a piston pushing something here will mess up these rails. Like, they will update the rails. And placing the rails is kind of the most annoying part of this. So, there's no moving this by piston. It's just move... Let's just move it all by hand. It's not, you know, it's not a long stretch of this. It's reasonably short, but it's still a lot of work. I don't necessarily need to do that. It's fine. We can adapt. I'm just really annoyed at how I've done that. I don't like it because I was actually looking at that and trying to make sure. But anyway, we do have the 3 blocks we need out from the rail, so it's fine. And then this... Yeah, I mean, here it doesn't matter. These rails are tighter together, so here I'm just going to have to wing it anyway and connect it up. And since everything is hanging on this height, and the carts are supposed to drop into the beginnings of the stations, I think. Or maybe I want it on this height, actually. Okay, so I had this. Yeah, so the cart starts on the slope. So the whole thing needs to be 1 below the piston bolt. And then on the edges where it comes out, it then needs to connect up with this kind of little circuit. I'm wondering if I can squeeze everything tighter together, if that's a thing, so I could pull the piston bolts further in. Because like the more I can travel by piston bolt instead of regular rail, the quicker the system will be. So we know the rails are 7 apart. Why do we have to have rain? On the other hand, it's the first time for today, so it's fine. Well, this feels like there's a bunch of like open space here. I guess I can't make it smaller than kind of a 7x7 square. Because then I'm going to have piston bolts going into everything. This is probably fine. It's fine. It does not take a long time for the cart to go through the system. You know, let's just do this. So... I mean, it's not really even slow on these ones. It's a rail travel across a chunk. So the longest one Yeah, that's probably the longest one. Well, I mean, this one's just... If it goes forward, this is going to be... Oh yeah, this is actually going to drop down here. That's what it's going to do. Come on. So these are actually going to be like this. And that rail is going to come out here. And then we hook it up to... Well, it's actually going to come down and be going up a slope, because then it's going to hook up to the piston bolt here. That might be the... Well, this is super quick. So I guess this is the slowest path, because then it ends up going basically across the entire chunk. So I think what I need to do next is probably set up the full thing with the piston bolt attachments, like the off and on ramps for the piston bolt, and then I have the entire system. It should be fine. That's cool. Because I've been thinking about this for a long while now, and I'm like, I don't know how to make it and stuff. But actually, this turned out really nice. I'm very happy with that, actually. Cool. You know what? I think we're gonna move on there. I cannot stream for a long time today because I still need to finish up my packing and stuff. I would like to see this without the rain. Can we get the nighttime here? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch over to the GeoGuessr Daily, do that, and that's our wrap up. Like I said before, I am going to the Netherlands tomorrow. I will be away for Saturday, so I'm not going to be streaming on Saturday. And then I'll be back home for Sunday, and Sunday's stream should be fine. It's a little hard to guarantee that it starts on time, though. You know, I'll be coming home with a flight, and I should have plenty of time, but you never know. Should be fine. Great, so now we got it. Now, this is so much smaller than the previous system I had. it's incredible. All right, let's switch our stream thing to GeoGuessr. Here we go. Pretty cool. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm not gonna clean it up now. I want it as a reference for next time. And I can't be bothered. That also. Good times. Good times. Let's do that. I'm gonna leave this on for the replay mod thing to do its thing. Where do I have my GeoGuessr? It's over here. Let's go here. No? Yes. Very good. This isn't looking great. I was so close to gold yesterday. I had one big mix-up, and then it... Can I show, actually? Like, look at this. Look at Gigi's score. 24,990. That's cool. Really bad score on the first one. 5k, 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 and then a 4,639. So unfortunate. I've been so busy this week. I've been like slaving away at the update videos and stuff. And yeah, I just have done the daily challenge out of duty because I have this streak, right? And I don't want to lose it. So yeah. Let's go with today's daily challenge, and then, yep. So this is another one. I'm tired. I'm stressed. I need to go pack. Right? Let's get it done. That's all. Let me get rid of the Minecraft window first. There we go. So, if you haven't seen me play the GeoGuessr Daily before, GeoGuessr is a geography guessing game. You get put somewhere in the world on Google Street View. You're supposed to tell where it is. You get score on depending on how close you are. I'm gonna hide the chat, so feel free to talk about what's going on. It's not gonna bother me. You're not gonna backseat or anything. And after the 3 minutes are up, I'll open chat again and we can talk about how silly you thought I was. So with that said, it is the same, like the daily challenge is the same for everybody. So if you have played it, please don't spoil it. And with that said, let's get into it. And oh god. White middle line actually? No, is this yellow? Don't even know. What? Gmail.com. How helpful. Wait, what's this? Chill. Whoop. What? I can't go there. Okay, I think we're in Chile. Where though? Like is pretty far south? Come on, move. What does it say? Ruta Original. Okay. Lebu. Come on. Is any of this findable? I don't know. Lafken Mapu. Come on, what's on this one? Oh god, it's a lot of text. Sevedra? Labu. I can't really be up here, can it? I guess it could be here somewhere. Not a lot of time. Provincia de Arroco. Dang it. Wait, Arroco. Well, that would have been findable. I don't know where it is. Okay. It's right by the coast. Alright. Lost 1,000. That's okay. Haven't played in a while. Seeing empty road at the start makes me not regret that. Plus 569 international code isn't what I've seen. Are you sure it's an international? Could just be local. This could be how they write stuff, right? This is in Googleland. Sure. So Labu was completely not findable. And this Bio. I don't see any of the... Yeah, I don't see any of the names on that sign. So that... Oh, Lebu is there. Okay, it's... It's impossible to tell how. Yeah, I know plus is usually international codes, but it doesn't mean that it always is. Plus 5, 6 is Chile? Okay, cool. Alright, well, I mean, fine. Let's go to the... Oh, let me minimize chat again. Let's go to the next one. Which is in the middle of a big road. There's a sign over there. I think we go for that first. Kind of looks like it could... Well, maybe not. I was thinking Turkey, but... Are you gonna seriously just be in the way for the sign here? Okay, no, hold on. Can I... It's not Turkey. That's not going to be large enough to find, is it? Okay, there's actually not the sign I was looking for. A1 and A25 and A1 and A7. Wait. So wait, the A1... Oh right, I've seen this before. Austrian motorways are really annoying because they don't... Here? They don't show up properly. It does turn there. Yeah, we're in the bend. That makes sense. Okay, hold on. There's a crossing out there. That could be that, which would kind of indicate that we're here. Ish. But that's now. So where did I start? Close. Oh, well. Still seeing kind of here. The stuff down there that turns away a little bit. Maybe here? Kind of like there, actually. Okay. Other side of it. Oh, it's this bridge that I saw. Okay. Sure. 2 points off. Found the right country after all. Yeah, but I mean, you can't expect me to nail the right country after just seeing one clue. Sometimes I do if it's precise enough, but just seeing German text. That's good enough. I mean, I lost a lot of points on the first one. It's fine. Yeah, but this is a really annoying thing for me. Like you look here, you got the A1 and the A9 and the A21. Like that's pretty much all. But you see some of the ones that aren't like motorways, and then you zoom in and you get like all of them. So it's really hard to actually see just the A roads would be nice. The German Autobahn signs aren't green but blue. Sure. But I mean, immediately when I plonked here, I saw that it wasn't the right, road markings then, Anyway, that's a fine one. Let's go to round 3. What have we done to deserve this today? Those are... Wait, what? Hold on just one moment. This is just weird. It's just weird. Okay, cool. It's just weird. Good. Please? Can we, like... Hello? Okay, we're not allowed to move anymore. Like, I literally... Okay, we were only allowed to move this way. Great, okay, cool. I hope there wasn't a good clue the other way, because the game just will not move me that way. Quite mountainous. But also, like, a rolling open fields, hills. Are these guards? Next 4 kilometers is winding road. Okay, cool. I'd like to go the other direction. I wonder if I should go back and see if it will let me. Although maybe this is something up here. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Please, please. Game? Game, I swear. Please. Okay, now I think I got loose. I just hope I haven't lost too much time on this. And that there actually was something this way. What the heck is... Oh, it's a cow warning sign. Very nice. Minute to go. I did not just leave because I think my guest is currently like in the water or something. Yeah, I don't know. Not getting much here. I'm not very good at identifying the islands. Oh, we got nothing here. Actually not in the water. I think I want to say here or something? Maybe even up here? We'll stick here. It's actually kind of mountainous. Okay, sure. That was the other option, but yeah, whatever. I'm not very good. Not very good at identifying the islands. I thought this would have been flatter, because I've been out here and it's much flatter, but I guess there's just some little mountainous parts way down south. Okay, well, that's good to know. That's good to know. All right, we're out of gold again. Let's just go for round 4. Oh boy, we're in Guatemala. Can we get rid of that, please? Thank you. Okay, that's very helpful. DA1 to New Santa Catarina, Ixahuacan, and Los Encuentros. CA1 is here. Santa Catarina is here. That's Santa Catarina Mita. Is there... Where's the new one? Los Encuentros. Los Escabos. Where does this go? It goes up here. Road angle? Okay. This is a really tricky route to follow because it goes into the capital. Like, if anything, it looks here, but it doesn't match up with any of the names here. So there should be this to the south, and I guess that would be out to the west. Is there another? No, not really. Okay, this is what we got, basically. Okay, where does this go then? It goes back up here. Up here. It could be here? San Cristobal. Doesn't really make sense. It does go up here too. That makes the most sense. Something other. How many other make up other names for you, Steve? You don't have to have all of them called the same thing. Are we actually down here? Wait, this is not the right. Yeah, actually, I think we might be here. This makes a lot of sense. So we're not on the CA1, we're coming up to it, and then we'll split. We're in a turn. Quite sharp turns here. Yeah, kind of makes sense. Could be here. Could be up here too. But... Or we could be way over here. Alright, cool. But not too bad. Kind of got the right area eventually. Really? There was a street with the road number? I just found the town. It was literally there at the starting position. I love that. I love that. Like, I think it was a couple of days ago when I did, like, how did I miss, like, how did I, like, what did I miss? Because somebody, like, I found absolutely 0 things, and somebody, like, 5K'd it. And I was like, what did I miss? And I open it back up, and I immediately see, like, huge signs telling me exactly the place name and exactly, and I'm like, I was just blind, you know? First time around is completely blind. That's a fine score. Anyway, last round. Let's go. Okay. I'm confused. So what is... What? Okay. I hate this, the fact that it just kind of vanishes. Can we find that? Chapelle de la... something? Visitation. There's got to be more stuff here. I feel like we're in the ways, but maybe I'm completely wrong there. Maybe we should be looking for feet instead. Although that's impossible. Oh my god, I hate this bug. Let me move. What? Where did the sign go? So it's parallel and then splits? The Billionaire's Hall. Very nice. Could be up here. It doesn't feel like it fits, but who knows? Okay, wait, no, the entire thing is to the north. So we're here somewhere. Probably down here. I don't know. Okay, we're actually over there. There it is. Okay. Okay, 1 zoom level in. Alright, well, whatever. Fine. 2 points. played this map a lot trying to get 25k in Explorer mode. You gotta be pretty precise then, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine, whatever. I just can't anymore. Like, I've had such a bad streak lately. It's so bad. But I guess also I haven't really practiced much lately, so... Although I didn't do Clover bad, so I guess... you can see when Clover doesn't find a sign. That is helpful, because and that man is magic when it comes to finding places when there are signs. Alright. Very nice. Very nice. Sure. Nice. So you actually found Lebu, I guess. Very cool. Awesome. Wait. Dang. Found a distance marker with the road number. Okay. Alright. Easy mode. Nice. A lot of people finding the right road segment. A couple of people way over here. I guess. I don't quite know how you end up there, but sure. I guess there might have been a different sign also than the one I saw. And then the travesty here. Everybody did exactly the same thing. Alright, cool. I guess I'm in good company. That is amazingly, like, close. Did anybody get closer? Okay. Couple of hedges on the northern side of South Island. Okay? I mean... that's just funny. Everybody in the same place. Like, everybody making exactly the same guess. That's fantastic. Alright. That is impressive. Very, very nice. Right road bend. And then several others getting juked in the same way that I did. And a couple of people up here, if fair. It's all pretty close. Actually, this is a significant distance. Look closer. Still pretty good. Like, everybody kind of in the right part of the country. And then... Sure. Very nice. I'm a little sad that I didn't find this, but... Honestly, you had to zoom in so much to get this. But, yeah. I mean... You spot Monaco, it literally said Monaco on a sign, then you lose at most like 10 points, I think. And just overall sad that that my averages are so poor. Like, look at this garbage. Like, to be fair, the last 4 days have basically been gold or slightly below the limit, but yeah. Still, I mean, this is 1,000 below the limit. So. Mostly sad about that chili round. I feel like I had all the things to actually find that better, but found that's the one sign far too late. Tomorrow I should be able to play the daily in the morning, and then Saturday's daily is going to be an interesting problem because I'm gonna be on the road and I don't know if I'm gonna have a good internet connection, but I'm gonna, dang it, try to get this past it. At least you know, I'll get rid of these two, so hopefully I can get my score back up before it falls under 20k. Ugh. Anyway, daily done. No, I don't think I'll lose the streak. Like, worst thing, I can use my Sol. It'll just be a particularly awful score. Possibly. All right. Let's go to Bruno, who is getting into Create, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Thanks, everybody. Again, no stream on Saturday from me. And see you on Sunday, hopefully, assuming my trip home goes well. Yeah. That's all. And obviously, I'll be on flights and stuff tomorrow, so, you know, there won't be any other content either. If something comes out or whatever, it's gonna not have videos. That's just how it goes. Take care, everybody. Have a good one. I'll catch you on Sunday.